Alright, this is, you see, the new edition of Tales of Coles County. This is the proof copy unboxing video. I have not personally ever seen this. This is the first time I'm going to see it. I'm going to see it with you right now. So, let's see how we can open this up here. Now hopefully this will look just like I submitted it. If not, we're all going to be surprised. There it is. This is the first time any of us are seeing it. And wow, look at that. The colors came out really nice. This is a lot better looking than I almost thought it would be. I was a little worried because of the different color palette you have to submit it as. But, I mean, look at that picture. That's a very high quality picture. This is the spine of the book. It's a little off black. It's not really totally black, but that's okay. There's the back of the book with a somewhat older picture of myself. Lake Ridge Press logo, barcode. The book is going to be $14.95. Very nice. The outside looks very nice. We look inside. The paper is like an off-white paper. I think it looks very attractive. The fonts are very nice. We have our copyright page. Have the contents. The foreword. So, I'll make another video later more in-depth on how it looks inside, but let's take a look at one of these illustrations here by Katie Conrad. Very nice looking illustration, high quality. Pictures are very high quality pictures in this edition. Let's see here. It's very nice. I am very happy with the way this turned out. I'm excited to see what you all think. Leave a comment in the video. Let me know what you think of the new layout of the book, and you know how the cover looks, the back cover. I'd love to hear your feedback. So you'll be seeing more soon. The pre-orders will be available in September. I'm thinking around September 10th I'll have that ready. So look for more announcements soon.